So let me address this issue for farmers, or advise farmers on how you can start dairy farming and earn money. There is this thing that farmers are doing, a big mistake. So you find that a farmer wants to make money from dairy farming. Then he starts by buying a cow. That is a big mistake. So what are you supposed to do as a farmer to make money in dairy farming? This is a free message or a free advice. If you want to make profit, if you want to make money in your dairy farming, start by planting your own fodder, because you cannot depend on purchasing feeds and you make profit. Right now, you all agree with me that there are farmers outside there who are suffering because they started by buying cows. Even a farmer with one cow without feed, you are doing zero work. There is nothing you can earn from that cow, because every time you wake up running crazy, looking for feed everywhere. So if you want to make money from dairy farm as a farmer and you are starting, please do not start. Let no one convince you to start by buying a cow. You will fail. Always buy plant fodder first. If you plant fodder first and you plant fast growing fodder which takes only 3 months with high quality nutrients, this fodder will give you a right of way to buy a cow. So when the cow comes, it will meet feed in your home. But if you do vice versa, if you start by buying a cow, you will never be able to make any profit, and farming will be very difficult for you. So dear farmers, this is a free advice that if you want to make money, if you want to make profit, start with planting fodder. There is no shortcut in dairy farming. Thank me later.